Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee jelly. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, half a cup of sugar, and 2 cups of hot water. Don't forget 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. For the creamy topping, prepare 1 cup of evaporated milk and half a cup of condensed milk. Having ice cubes on hand will help speed up the chilling process for perfect results. Now, let's create the coffee jelly base. In a bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in 2 cups of hot water. Stir in half a cup of sugar until it's completely dissolved. Next, sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin over the warm coffee mixture. Continue stirring gently for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the gelatin fully dissolves without any lumps. This step is crucial for a smooth jelly. After preparing the coffee base, it's time to chill it. Carefully pour the warm coffee mixture into a shallow dish or a mold of your choice. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours or until the jelly is completely firm and set. Once firm, remove it from the fridge and cut the coffee jelly into 1-inch cubes. A sharp knife will help you achieve neat and uniform pieces. Finally, let's assemble our delicious coffee jelly. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of evaporated milk and half a cup of condensed milk. Stir these 2 ingredients together until they are well blended and smooth. Now, divide your chilled coffee jelly cubes among individual serving glasses. Pour the creamy milk mixture generously over the jelly cubes. Serve immediately and enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.